your belly fat? It's not coming from food, it's coming from your environment. I ran a simple experiment. Same diet, same workouts, but I changed one thing, the world around me. Week 1, calm, organized space. Week 2, notifications, clutter, chaos everywhere. Nothing else changed. But my body reacted like I switched to fast food and zero sleep. Stress levels tripled, deep sleep crashed, and the scan showed something terrifying. My visceral fat spiked by over 20% in just 2 weeks. Not the fat you can pinch. The fat wrapped around your organs, the silent kind linked to diabetes, heart disease, even dementia. Here's what nobody tells you. Visceral fat listens less to calories and more to cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone, and your environment controls it more than your diet ever will. Every cable on the floor, every open tab, every notification ding. Your brain treats all of it like a threat. Threats raise cortisol. Cortisol stores fat around your organs, not tomorrow, not next year, today. That's why people who eat healthy and hit the gym still struggle with belly fat. You're not failing. Your environment is. So here's the fix. Not a diet, a redesign. 1, quiet your space. 2, control your notifications. 3, protect your sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Do these for 1 week and watch what happens to your stress, your hunger, your sleep, and yes, your belly. If you want my 7-day stress architecture blueprint, the exact checklist I used in this experiment, comment the word blueprint. Your environment is either silently inflaming you or quietly healing you. I'm testing every formula myself. Subscribe for the next experiment.